Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. Listen, I will not be before y'all long looking how I'm looking, okay? I just wanted to let you know what I'm making today. It is inspired by a spicy Italian sub. I am doing a spicy Italian crescent ring, except the difference is I am not using ham because we don't eat pork. So I am substituting it with turkey. All right? And the rest is the cheese that we like. You can use whatever cheese you want. You can use provolone or whatever. But y'all about to see what I'm about to do, okay? Y'all ready? Let's get started. You'll need 2 cans of crescent rolls, 1 egg for your egg wash, deli slices. We're using turkey. You can use ham or whatever you want. The cheese of your choice, roasted red peppers, banana peppers, and we're using turkey pepperoni. You can use what you like. And also, you'll need some shredded cheese. Okay, it may be a little bit loud because my ice machine is on making ice, okay? But I'm starting with a pizza pan because it's round, so that'll help me guide my ring. And then I am using a piece of parchment paper on top of that. I'm going to get started with my crescent rolls. I have 2, like I told you before. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how I'm going to lay this out. It's real simple and easy, you guys. This is a quick dinner or lunch or whatever you want it to be. You just simply take your crescent rolls out. Okay. And then we're going to break all of these apart, okay? So we're going to unroll and break down all of our triangles. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start. So you're going to lay your triangles down. I hope you guys can see this good. But you want them to slightly overlap, okay? We're just going to keep going until we've gotten all the way around. Okay, and here's my last one. All right. So there's our ring. Now, it's depending on you how big you want your ring or whatever. You can pull them in closer if you like, but this is the base, okay? Next, we're going to go ahead and add on our cheese. I am using the hot jalapeno and habanero because that's what we like. You can use whatever you like. I'm just going to go over with a few more slices. My oven is preheated, y'all. I'm sorry I didn't tell you that. I used 8 slices of cheese, okay? That was 8 slices. Now I'm going to go on top of my deli slices, my turkey. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees, y'all. Okay, and I'm just going to keep going around, adding on my turkey. Spread those out a little bit. Okay, that's good right there. Okay, so now that I have my turkey added, we're gonna go on with our roasted red bell peppers, banana peppers, and of course, pepperoni. And you know, y'all can add as much or as little of these ingredients as you like, okay? And I'm not patting these dry or anything. I'm putting them on just like this. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to add our pepperoni. Okay, and now the banana peppers. I'm going to hit it with some salt and pepper and then top it with shredded cheese. You don't need a lot of salt because, of course, these are cold cuts, so you don't want to over salt it. Shredded cheese. Now, normally, you would probably use mozzarella, but I don't have any, so I'm using what I have. And that is it. Now we're going to roll it on up. Okay, so we're going to take each triangle from the back and we're going to pull it forward and tuck. Okay? And we're going to do that all the way around. And some of your ingredients will fall out. That's okay. I said last thing, I think, but I forgot you do put an egg wash on top. Just crack an egg and we're just going to beat it slightly. Okay. All right. And then brush it over the top. But that's it. This is going to go into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then I will show you guys the end result.
Yeah, it smells hot. I can smell those peppers.
I was about to say it smells hot.
Yeah, those peppers in it. Let's go. Always dropping
Fumble.
something.
What do you think?
I like it. What kind of dough is this?
Crescent.
Crescent. Oh. A quick meal? Absolutely. It's good. Almost like pizza.
Really? It's a spicy Italian crescent ring.
Oh.
He trying to get another piece. Okay, y'all. Look at there. Well, that's it for this video, you guys. Don't forget, gotta say it, like, comment, subscribe, share the video.
And make one. Delicious.
Love
This
y'all
one's for y'all.
big. Bye.